Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer 8.2.2 on Parrot OS 6, but the process is same on all Parrot OS versions. First verify whether we have any Packet Tracer comes with Parrot OS as pre-installed software. See, we don't have any Packet Tracer. So open any web browser, go to internet, Firefox, go to netaccord.com. It is Networking Academy. See, it is Cisco Network Academy. Okay, so see here we don't have any direct link to download Cisco Packet Tracer, but click on Explore. Then in the bottom, see here we have the Cisco Packet Tracer. Click on it. Then click on Get Started with Cisco Packet Tracer. Then we have to register this course. So then only we will be able to download. Now click on Module 1. Then click on Install Cisco Packet Tracer. See here we have the download Cisco Packet Tracer. So to download we have to register this one. So to register we have to log in. Click on login. But if you don't have account, click on sign up. Then provide all the details. Once we provide all details, we will get email for activation. Like this we will get email. Then we have to click on activate account. Okay, this is the way to register and log in. Once you register, go back, go to home again. I will show you the navigation. netaccord.com. Click on explore Cisco Packet Tracer, get started. Then click on login. Then provide registered email and password that you have set. So go to the course. See, go to this module, that is module 1, download and use Cisco Packet Tracer. Then you have to come to this one. See here we have the download Cisco Packet Tracer. So click on this link, that is Netaccord Resource Lab Downloads. Click on it. Scroll down. See here we have the Cisco Packet Tracer 8.2.2 Ubuntu. Then click on Packet Tracer 8.2.2 Ubuntu 64-bit. Click on it. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 270 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Now go to downloads, ls. See here we have the Packet Tracer Debian package. Control L. So we have to install this one. Before installing this one, we have to install following dependencies. Otherwise it will fail. I will keep this command in the video description. It is done. Control it. Also we have to download following package. Duplicate. Let me paste. Hit enter. It is downloaded ls. So first we have to install this library. Sudo dpkg -i, give the lib, give the tab, hit enter. It is done. ls. See, we have installed this one, so remove that one. Lib, give the tab, to autofill, enter file name, hit enter. ls. Now install this Packet Tracer. Sudo dpkg -i, give the first 2-3 letters of the package name, give the tab to autofill, hit enter. See, this is the software license agreement. Hit enter. Select yes for the end user license agreement and hit enter. See, if you receive this error, install sudo apt install dialog, hit enter. It is done. See, once we install that dialog, Packet Tracer also installed. Okay, so go to menu, search for Packet Tracer. See here we have the Packet Tracer 8.2.2. Okay, click on it. Would you like to run multi-user when application starts? It is up to you. Select the option that you want. See, this is, wait a moment, it will ask us to log in. So click on skills for all. Wait a moment, this pop-up will be closed. See, done. See, login also success, that window also closed. See here we have two modes, logical and physical mode. See here we have the options like network devices, end devices, components, connections, and other information. Okay, suppose if you click on here, see here we have different options. You can drag here, also drag one more, then connections, then select the connection type, just click on both the machines, see connected. Okay, this is the way. Go to the course that we have registered and you can practice these networking concepts. Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, so we have successfully installed Cisco Packet Tracer. Now go to terminal again, ls, remove this package because this package is not required anymore. So remove this one to clear the space. ls. So we have successfully installed Cisco Packet Tracer 8.2.2 on Parrot Security OS 6. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.